Hey, Nolan.
Say hi to Dad.
Yes, say hi to Grandpa. Maybe we can send a video to Grandpa. Maybe he misses you.
Oh, I guess.
Hi, Grandpa.
You say hi. Oh. Say up, up, up.
Oh, hiccups are the worst.
Oh, bless you.
Oh. Oh. Good boy.
So cute.
Where's number 2?
Oh.
Second one? No.
Has
He
a
got
theory
it.
that
He got it all out the first time. Good boy, Nolan.
I don't think I told you this, Tyler.
Good
Either,
boy.
like, within minutes of after being born, he sneezed like, I don't know, 3 or 4 times.
Really? Hiccups and sneezes. Oh.
He still does every day.
Really?
Not a lot.
Can you look at yourself?
Oh.
What's that?
What is going on?
Is he paying attention?
You're a cutie, aren't you? Yeah, you looking at yourself, aren't you?
is that?
You are. Good boy. You can see, can't you? Yeah, stick out your tongue at him. Isn't he a cutie? Yeah, he is. Hope I wasn't even really on to that one.